Alrighty, so as we paint, we are going to talk about two topics. The first topic is going to be creativity, why it's important to get your kids in tune with their creativity, actually, how it can be a stream of income for you. And then I also want to talk about giving, especially, speaking to the youth, finding out why giving is important. Because when we think about Christmas, we think about our Christmas list and what everybody's going to give to us. But it's very much more important to give than to receive. So we're going to get started. Are you going to start with your canvas or your gift for your TT?
I'm going to start my gift for my TT.
So Justin, why do you think it's important to be creative?
I think that it's a way of escape and it's therapeutic. I feel like it's a way of expression, I feel like it can be definitely a change for our youth and as an escape from the negative influences in the media.
Okay, so if they get into their creativity, it will give them something more positive to focus on.
Right.
Being creative taps into your ability to expand your streams of income. By me, making stuff, selling stuff, you can sell shirts, you can create classes. It doesn't have to be, something tangible. You can create, if you have something that you're good at, if you can sing, you can teach people how to sing or singing lessons, or if you know how to play the piano, you can create different avenues to be a resource to yourself. You tap into your creativity, you get to see what you're capable of. You get to see your ability. I feel like your expression of art is an expression of your thoughts. What you bring out is a reflection of what was already inside. I don't feel like our kids are being challenged enough to really tap into their creativity or see what else is there other than mimicking what everybody else is doing. I feel like one big thing about being creative is it's the original. It is not something else that's already been produced. It's something that came from your mind. No two minds think alike, right? This type of expression helps them to take their mind off wanting to be like the crowd or wanting to follow the crowd. In creativity, you create the mold, you create the fit. There's no such thing as, oh, this art piece doesn't fit in. It's whatever you want to do. And so we have to teach our kids, they have the ability to make anything they want to make. They have the ability to do anything they want to do. And so as long as we, provide the tools and the resources, there's no limit, there's no ceiling for them. So I think it's very important that we, get our kids back into doing kid stuff. Doing kid stuff, y'all, that's what I got so far. It's creating time, it's spending time with your kids, creating time to sit and to paint and to build that bond. And I feel like we don't talk to our kids enough these days. Everybody's tired, we working, we trying to, keep up with the bills. And right now, with the way our economy is, we have to make sure that we're just keeping up our family values, keeping up what really matters. Because in the end, you can spend a lot of money this Christmas, but do you spend as much money as you spend times? So speaking of that, why do you think it's important to give? What's the importance of giving? Like, we think about Christmas, as a kid, everybody's giving to you, but why do you think giving is important?
I think giving is important because, yeah, it's okay to give, but it's okay to give, but when you give, it's a different feeling. It's like from the heart, like when you actually want to pick out something and get nice stuff, and you know what they like, and it's just love, like.
It's a form of showing your love for somebody? Okay.
Yeah.
What about giving to people you don't know? One quote that I really like from Jay-Z, he said the purest form of giving is from anonymous to anonymous. So that's like, giving to the homeless or giving to a stranger or, being in line right now, if we go to the store, somebody's in line in front of us, which we, have done before, and say, don't worry about it, I got your groceries. What do you think is the importance of giving to somebody you don't know?
It's like you don't know that person, but your heart is so pure that you have the kindness out of your heart to give them, and you don't even know them.
Yeah.
It's a good deed.
Right. Doing good deeds, showing people that good people still exist.
Right. Because we don't have a lot of that now.
Yes, good. I think giving is important because giving is like sowing a seed. So whatever type of seed you sow is what you shall reap. If you have a hand that's closed all the time and you stingy and you're always, not wanting to lend a hand or open your hand or give at all, well, that same closed hand won't be able to receive anything in it. So if you've been blessed to have extra, there are some people who haven't tapped into that part of their blessedness. That doesn't mean they're not as blessed. They just haven't tapped into it. So I finished mine. And I would say my theme is fun and flowers and art. I got a lot of flowers. I started with the gold. And then I added the pink. From the pink, I added my black lines. I'm not sure if y'all can see it. I added my black lines. Added some flowers. And so, we've got art. And Justin is working on his coasters for his aunt. And so he decided to do some flowers. Not flowers, hearts. Then he's got this abstract one he's working on. He's going to come back and put, can I show him?
Yeah.
If it's not too. So he just started with an all black base and put some gold on top. So you might have to go over it one more time with the gold. And then he's going to put the letter for her initial. So, how's your painting experience, son?
That's pretty good.
Another exciting day. You still need some more? I ain't even. Sorry about that. I was trying to start cleaning up. It's getting kind of late. So, yeah. Painting with your kids or just making something for yourself. Making something that represents how you feel, what you're thinking, what you want your design to be like, That is always a go-to for relaxation, for meditation, for just getting in tune. I really enjoyed this. We call this Handcrafted Christmas. Yeah. Handcrafted Christmas. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a wonderful day. Hey guys, so we've been talking about giving, and to my surprise, I got a few things in the mail I'm really excited to open, and I wanted to share it with you, and from a very special someone in my life who has been my biggest supporter. I remember when we first met, it was 3 years ago, and I was telling them about my desires to have a YouTube and to promote my business. And so now we're here, and they surprised me with a gift from Tiffany. So I just wanted to share my unwrapping experience with you guys. I'm so excited. I do not know what it is. Let's see. Yeah, I'm always giving gifts. I rarely get gifts anymore, so a gift for me is something super exciting. It's so cute. I don't even want to unwrap it. Aww. Yay. Let's see. So pretty. Tiffany & Co. Let's see. I'm going to try to guess what I think it is. Perfume. And the Tiffany box with the Tiffany blue. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh, you have to press it. Oh, that's nice. It is an arrow. Oh, okay. I think y'all don't don't mind me. Okay, it's a arrow, like an arrow for your heart, and a Tiffany pin. That's so pretty. Wait, yeah, I'm crazy. These are earrings. I don't know. That's too cute. That's nice. So Tiffany earrings. Okay. Thank you so much. It's always a great feeling to receive. You know, we've been talking a lot about giving, so I got my special Tiffany earrings. So I never wear earrings, guys, so this will give me a reason to wear some. And then I've got this big box here, and I'm actually gonna have, I don't wanna mess up my nails. Justin, can you help me open this? Come this way. Got my co-host with me. Come on.
And you pull this.
Okay.
Yep.
Hold on, wait. Here, pull this down for me.
Sorry.
Whoa, that's a big box. What size is that, son?
12.
12. I don't think that's for me. Go ahead, open it up for me. Come closer. Set it right here. It's a Nike box.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, I like that bag. This is mine. I'm gonna take this gold Nike bag.
No way.
No way. What are they? Oh, wow. Those are nice. Those are super nice.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you sure those don't say size 9? Surprise.
Thank
It
you.
was for you. Yeah.
Oh, these are nice. Thank
Yeah, those are nice.
I'm a size 12.
Tell them
Let's
thank
give it
you.
to
Yeah.
you. With the ears in the
Like,
bag? Oh, yeah.
Those are super
These going in
nice.
the photo shoot.
You gonna wear these in your photo shoot? Wow, those
Going in
are
photos.
super dope. I never.
Yeah, with this.
Yeah.
Colorway.
Yeah,
Kind
and
of
this
goes
is
in my pants.
and my bag that I got with it. Merry Christmas, guys.
Check out all my videos. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. If you're interested in being part of my one-on-one training or attending one of my events, visit us at dreamempowerinc.com to find out more.